watching that video. And guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can receive notification whenever I upload new videos. And guys, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your loved ones. And if you would like to watch other videos of my top views, you can see the links in my description section, and how to, like the last video we made, how to make a water fountain. You'll love it. It's very beautiful. And guys, please follow me up on Instagram at Unitech. Like me up on Facebook at Unitech Innocent Technology. You see all the links in the description section. Please just click on it. It will take you right to my page, my Instagram account, my Instagram profile, my Facebook account. Thank you so much, Ashichi. So see you next time. Bye.